to my channel. Okay, today we're planning for May. Can you believe that it's already May? No, I can't. 5 months into this year. And oh boy, it's been a year. So we're gonna go ahead and plan for May. I wanted to show you guys stickers that are in my shop. So this whole, how can I show this to you? This whole top part, excluding the little icons here, are my May sticker kit. And also with the May sticker kit, you also get a tracker. In this case, I'm not going to use the tracker, but that is what is included. And then in a few days, I will post. This is the weekly sticker kit that I have, and I will show you guys how I'm using this in my next video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get ready. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put these in the right spots, as well as for the calendar, I'm going to also draw that out. So also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. I'll be happy to post pictures of updates of my spreads, and you guys can stay in touch with my life. So go ahead and do that, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, I went ahead and finished up my May planning. So I drew in these boxes and I used my sticker kit to label, of course, and do the dates. I'm really loving these dates. They're small, but they're perfect. I went ahead and in black just put in any appointments that I know for sure. I also put in like holidays. This color, which was made from this kind of tealish from Paper Mate Inkjoy. I put birthdays. So that's that. I don't know exactly how I want to address the 31st. I think it's fine there. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add to that point, but there's that. I have not decided my goals for this month, but I'm hoping that soon I will have an idea of what I want to do. Then I will definitely use these stickers to kind of just mark those out. And then I finished my May pre-planning, which I realized I did not write that at the top, so I will do that in a second. I went ahead and just kind of broke down each week. Put in each week what is happening and like what's coming up. Then in this bottom section here, I'll just go ahead and put tasks that I know that I need to get done for that week. So for example, I know this already that I have a YouTube video that's gonna go out on May the 11th. So for example, I would write here, film Monday's YouTube video, and then when I go ahead and plan for May the 11th, May the 4th to the 10th, then I know all of these tasks need to get done before next week, for things this week, etc. So for example, for this week, I have to remember to give my dogs their medicine, so I wrote that in one of my tasks to do for this week. So that is my May plan with me. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm really loving these stickers from my shop. So I'll go ahead and link my shop below and this sticker sheet for you. I'm also coming out with a June sticker sheet, so that'll be available here shortly for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I am so excited to connect with you guys. I want to see your spreads. I want to know how you guys are doing this. So make sure you guys tag me on your photos on Instagram, and I'm really excited to see them. Okay, bye.